This YouTube channel you're looking at gained over 20,000 subscribers and 500,000 views in just 2 weeks. And get this, on TikTok, they've got over 900,000 followers and 7 million likes, with just around 25 videos. No, they didn't hire editors. No expensive cameras. Every video was made using 100% free AI tools. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do the same. We'll use their strategy, but better, with a smarter workflow, and yes, we'll even use tools that do all the hard work for you. So if you're serious about building your channel using AI, hit the like button and let's start. Step 1. Find what's working. Now before we touch any tools, let's first talk strategy. Remember this, you're not making videos for yourself. You're creating content people actually want to watch. So we need ideas that already work. Head over to TikTok or YouTube and search for accounts in your niche. Sort their videos by most popular. Look at this one, 10 million views. Another one, 6 million. And another, 5 million. These are not random. These videos hit the algorithm sweet spot. Now copy the links of 3 or 4 of these top videos. We'll use them in a second. Step 2. Let AI break it down for you. Now it's time to use one of the most powerful free tools, Veo. Click the link in the description and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, connect your YouTube or TikTok account. This gives Veo access to your content analytics, so it can guide you based on what works and what doesn't. Now, let's create our first project. Click on Content Canvas. Hit Create New Canvas. Choose Blank Canvas. Now drag and drop the video links you copied earlier by clicking the plus icon and pasting each link. We're feeding the tool some viral videos to analyze. Next, add a document node and select AI Vlog as your content style. This tells the system what kind of script to generate. Now link everything up, your videos plus AI Vlog, and hit Generate Script. In just a few seconds, Veo gives you a catchy title, full story structure, character descriptions, scene-by-scene prompts to generate your AI video. Yes, everything is done. No script writing needed. Step 3. Turn prompts into video clips. Let's bring our scenes to life using Google Veo 3 v3, which you can access for free for a full month. Just search Google AI Pro and sign up using your Google account. Choose the free trial. You won't be charged, just monitor your billing. Now go back to the script generated in Veo. Copy the first scene prompt. In V3, click New Project, Text to Video. Set output to 1, select the latest model, and paste your prompt. Hit Send. In a few seconds, boom, you've got your first video scene. Repeat this for all your scene prompts. Download and rename each file. Trust me, this will save you tons of editing headaches later. Pro tip: you can also use Flow, which is basically the same engine but gives you more prompt credits if you're doing volume work. Step 4. Put it all together with CapCut. Once your clips are ready, it's time to edit. We'll use CapCut, 100% free and beginner-friendly. Import all your video clips. Choose your video type. 16:9 for YouTube long form. 9:16 for Shorts or TikTok. Now arrange the scenes in order using your renamed files. Add transitions between clips, layer in background music or sound effects, and use subtle motion to keep things engaging. To add captions, head to Templates and pick one with background coverage. That way it doesn't clash with any on-screen text. Finally, apply a 4K filter and hit Export. Boom! Your AI-generated video is now complete and ready to upload. Step 5. Optimize for maximum growth. But wait, if you want views, timing and tags matter just as much as content. Let's head back to Veo. Paste your competitor's TikTok or YouTube link into the search tool and hit Analyze. Veo now tells you best days and times to post. Key the top-performing keywords in your niche. Fire the most viewed hashtags to use. Round pushpin even the audience demographics, so you know exactly who you're targeting. This isn't guesswork. This is data that shows you what your audience is already responding to. So here's the full game plan. Research viral videos. Use Veo to generate scripts. Turn scenes into video clips using Google V3. Edit with CapCut. Optimize titles, keywords, and timing using Verlo again. All free. All working, and now, you have no excuse not to start. If you're ready to build a channel that actually grows, stop watching and start creating. Drop a comment below if you're going to try this, and make sure you subscribe because I've got even more AI secrets coming soon. See you in the next one.